What's up, everybody? BVF Collection back at it again with another unwrapping. Today's unwrapping is going to be basically a part 2 of from the last video. It is the same day, but hours later. We got ourselves a couple nice pieces here. We got the slippers, the Bad Vice River slippers right there. And then we're going to play a little Russian roulette kind of. Well, actually, that kind of sounds terrible. But we're going to basically just take a gamble at which one is the sample. Anyways, then we got the main attraction at the end, the Spider-Man Kill hoodie. But that one's a little special too. So we'll save that one for the end, and we'll progressively get to the more hype stuff. Here we go. I'm gonna use this for this part because I don't know how I'm gonna get in here without it. So there we go. I think that's all I need. Okay, he put it inside another one. That's nice. That works. I like to feel them together like cushion or whatever right there. I'm gonna set you guys down for a second. So basically we got another layer, and then I think we'll touch down right here. Wait. No way. I freaking hit the stinking side button, so I stop recording. This is going great so far. Just phenomenal. Okay, so we got a weekend bag. That's what it was. I thought it was the dead stock bag, but it is not. It's the weekend bag. And then we got the Bad Vice River slippers. Let's take them out, take a look at it. Here we go. Here we go. Let's do this. Very soft. Brand new. These things are pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie. Wow. Too bad these are too small for me. Well, one size fits not all. Barely anyone. But hey, very cool. Very, very cool. Alright, well that is out of the way. We'll leave that to the side over there. And then we're gonna go ahead and pick and choose a random one of the three. I'm feeling this bottom one. This bottom one just being at the bottom by itself. Yeah, let's just do this one. I can open it right here, so I'm just gonna rip right here. There we go. And it's taped right there, so I'm gonna have to go around. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna put you guys down again. All right, we have made contact. Let's go move that over the way. All right, here we go. And we're back to ripping. Okay, there we go. Now to see what comes out of this right here. Ooh, okay. All right, very nice. Very nice. The freaking Valentine Baby Blue LA exclusive mugshot t-shirt. Let's go ahead and open her up. Wow. Very clean. Very clean. Brand new. Black speck right there. Brand new though. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Again, yeah, this is the LA exclusive. And then, oh, yeah, we got ourselves the tags. Let's go. Oh, that's so sick. That's so cool. And then on the back, you already know. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I was not expecting that. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's a kill hand. What? I'm completely thrown off by this. What? It's a kill hand. Oh my gosh. It's an authentic mugshot baby blue kill hand tee. No way. Size large. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I was. Oh. Okay. This is a lot crazier than I expected. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Alright. I don't know if you guys are tripping out or would be as much as I am, but this is supposed to be Heartbreak on the back from what I remember from the LA exclusive. This is a BVF collection exclusive. Wow. Wow. Okay. Well, we're gonna set that off to the side right there. So now that's gonna be kind of underwhelming compared to that. Jeez. I'm still in shock. Alright, where's that knife? Okay, we're gonna go ahead and do the next one. I'm not gonna knife though. Oh, perfect. I think he did it. Okay, no, it's still glued, or still taped. Should we go around again? I think we should go around. Alright, we're gonna rip it up, go around. We're ripping it. It's almost there. And okay, I'm still not through. Alright, we're through. We've made contact. I don't know what it is, but we made contact. The reveal. Oh, crap. We'll reveal it together. Boom. Okay. This is such a good video. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we got ourselves another. I honestly don't even know what to say. I don't even know if that's gonna have a kill hand or not at this point. I think this is gonna have a freaking Heartbreak, but at this point I don't even know. This one, extra large. Okay. Tag. We got the tag. Okay. You know, the back. Oh my God. Okay. We got the Heartbreak. Okay. Sick. This is awesome. This is awesome. Okay, so basically I was going for this and this. Okay, never mind. I don't even know how to describe it. I was just thought this was gonna be this. Wow. But this is it. This is not this. This is this. This is this. Okay. I got both. Okay. That's cool. I'm glad I got both. And not two of the kill hand. That's what I was thinking. I thought it was the kill hand again. I'll be honest. I'll be so honest. I thought that was another kill hand. But yeah. Wow. We'll leave that there. I mean, at this point, oh dude. Okay, I normally do not treat my clothes like this, but one-handed me is just, yeah. But we're gonna do that. Yeah. All right, here we go. Last piece right here of the tees. I know what this one is. I'm excited for this one. I was honestly more excited for this one than those, but now that kind of topped it in a way. But at the same time, still, this is really, really cool too. All right, I'm gonna have to do it again. See you guys. Hold on. almost in. Okay. Taking off the tape. Tape is down. We're in. Back at it again, making contact. Here we go. The last tee. The camo kill tee. Well, okay. So, yeah, it's just a blank, right? It's just a blank. We got the tag. Okay. Let's see if you can see this. Probably seeing it better with the creases. You see that? And that. You gotta be able to see that. That's basically the Young Brats square. I don't know why it took so long to talk there, but yeah, that's basically to show this is the Young Brats cement, or I don't even know. Camo, just the camo kill, really, because it's got the kill hand. Very cool. Very cool. I can't believe they did the puff with the camo hand. From what I remembered back in the day, they were like, oh no, it's too complex to do multicolors or whatever to try to get, that puff hand with multicolors, but they did it. This is it, puppy. And let's see if inside tag. Yep, we got inside tag. So basically, nice little sample before they actually made the what do you call it? The front logo. My hypothesis, what I've been thinking, is this right here. Can't really tell, but if you can see how big of the square it is, I feel like this square is a lot longer than what we actually got in the release. So I think this was going to be a test of like a different version of basically the cream mugshot tee, or not mugshot, cream Young Brats tee. Yeah, if that makes sense. But yeah, nothing on the front, camo hand on the back. All right, last but not least, the hoodie. This one, let's see if I can just one-hand this. You know what, no, we're just gonna back at it again. All right, sorry, but I've made contact without y'all. See, like that. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and take them out. Oh. Try this. There we go. So, here we are with what's referred to now, or I like to refer to now as the Spider-Man Kill hoodie. This is a nice little sample. This is a, well, you don't know. Let's just check it out right away. Yeah, a tagless one. Let's see if it even has this tag. Oh, it does. Okay, that's interesting. So it's got this tag to confirm it's authentic, but it does not have that tag. This is, what would you say? Like, first one ever made type thing? Yeah, I think that's what I call it. Yeah. Along with the other hoodies I showed. Wow. That's a hand. That is a hand, all right. That is puffy. That is very puffy. I'll have to do comparison with my other one. That is nice. Okay. Well, you guys seen basically everything. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sorry for the lack of commentary at the end here, or for the last majority. I've been overwhelmed with that One Piece. But yeah, this has been awesome. I'm very happy, very grateful. I'm gonna have to take this all in. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please take it easy. Have a great day. And yeah, BVF Collection out of here. Once again, you already know.